Welcome to our video guide about how to install the RankAnalyst server, how to get, prepare, and aggregate the data RankAnalyst is expecting, and finally how to load the file with ranking data into RankAnalyst and how to start using it. My name is Rainer, I am from the RankAnalyst team and will guide you through these steps in the next few minutes. Okay, what we are assuming is that you've already installed Oracle's VirtualBox and downloaded our virtual machine from our website. If this is the case, importing and starting the virtual machine is pretty easy. What it actually does is to provide a Linux server within your local network so that you have access to RankAnalyst via your preferred browser. Cool, let's do it. VirtualBox should be open. First, you need to import the appliance, so click on Import. Go to the location where you've stored the OVA file and open it. Usually there is no need to change anything here, so click on Import. To make sure you are aware that RankAnalyst and the virtual machine is licensed under GPL 3, click on Agree and the import will start. This may take a little while. Now the virtual machine is imported and ready to be used. Click on it. A remark at this point. During tests, we've occasionally discovered that the virtual machine wouldn't work with the standard settings. What helped was to change the network adapter type. Should you experience that problem, meaning no network connection, try this. Open Settings, choose Network, make sure Bridged Adapter is selected, go to Advanced, and from the pull-down menu, just use anything that reads Server. Then click on OK. Fine, we are ready to start the virtual machine now. Simply click on Start and just wait until the server is completely loaded. There will be an automated login, so you don't need to enter anything. When finished loading, a network address will appear on the screen. This now is the address where you can connect to the RankAnalyst server. Open your browser and simply type the address into the address field. And there we are. The RankAnalyst server is ready and waiting for data to be uploaded. That means we now need to work on exactly this data. So the next chapter will show you where to get the data from and how to do the basic preparations.